Good afternoon, everybody. It's Lyle, the Saskatchewan Shaver here. It's here. And a mail call for you. It's here. My timeless replacement is here. After all of Canada Post delays, 2 days expediting, 8 to 9 delays delivery, it's finally here. Said I'd do this video. I'll do a quick, hopefully 5-10 minute unboxing video here. So I made this trade with Jason Underwood on Canadian Wet Shavers for my timeless. He kindly offered me this trade. I've been very excited for this. I'm just going to open it up. And I'm going to be brutally honest with you guys. I'm not watching camera angle here at all. I'm too excited. I want into this thing. This is going to be epic. I'm very, very excited to get my hands on this thing. Wish I had a better place to do this unboxing video for you guys, but it's in my bathroom. Holy schmoly karaoke, I get it. Gotta cut into this bad boy. You packed this extremely well, Jason. We're just gonna rip. Heck with it. Heck with it. Okay, now we're cutting. Here it comes. Guesses? Ideas? I can tell you it's definitely not a DE. Here we go. Straight razor. Not any straight razor. Hopefully you can see this. It's a 7/8 Wade & Butcher Celebrated full hollow barber's notch. This bad boy, it's all original. Original scales, original pinning. Jason has polished it up a bit for me. He's sharpened, honed it, he's stropped it, it's all ready to go. I'm very excited for this. I've wanted one for quite a long time. Estimated to be from about 1870, 1880. It's just beautiful. Thing shines. It's amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, I'm happy. This is probably going to be tomorrow's shave. Probably do 1 or 2 of these off camera before I use it on camera, just so I can take my time and really enjoy this bad boy. But damn it, Jason. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is wicked, man. Really wanted one of these for quite a long time. He's done a wicked job. On top of this, being a class act of a guy as he really is, he offered me custom scales. So he's currently making me custom scales as part of the trade for this too. Let me pick the wood, let me pick design, which I just trusted him. He knows more about straight razors and his little pinky than I do my entire head. But, damn, it was a wicked deal. He knew I wanted one, so he offered it up when another deal of mine fell through. Very, very excited to use this boy. Just, I don't know. It's awesome. It is just freaking awesome. That's all I can say. Just freaking awesome. This thing is going to be wicked. I look forward to shaving with it. I look forward to showing it to you guys in some shaves. My straight razor world is growing massively. Just 1 second here. Hold on, I'll pause this for you. Back. Sorry, my daughter needed to use the bathroom. That's all I'm going to say. Anyways, besides that really cool thing, a really cool razor, Jason and I made some other trades. So my daughters really, really love Storytime. It's not a Storytime by Soapy Bath Man. I have the soap, don't have the balm. It's a little tough to get right now. Mr. Underwood kindly offered this up for trade. So he traded me this. And the Benki Erica Tobacco and Black Amber. He had it all put in a tin for me and everything. Wanted to try this. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm gonna get this tin off. It's really cold right now, so it smells great. So we did a trade for that too, which was awesome. Going past that, because again, just a class act guy he is, he gave me this. Never tried it. Haslinger. Hope I said that right. Heard of the soap, seen reviews on it, never tried it. So he had to rectify that for me. Also, he really hooked me up here today, so this is awesome. I'm enjoying this mail call. Griffin's Grumatorium. He sent me their citrus balm. Melonberry mint. And Strawberry Dream. These are done by, I believe, Matthew Griffin on Canadian Wet Shavers. It's a soap he's looking at bringing to market. I'm excited to try it. Heard the scents are... My wife may devour me if I wear that. Oh, what's this one? This is the Melonberry Mint. Normally I'm not a huge mint soap guy, but that might change my mind. And the one was the citrus balm. Very interesting. Let's see what I think about that one. These are softer soaps too. I see some really cool shaves coming. Some really cool shaves coming. And they'll end it all off. Oh man, have to send me some other samples. We got 4, I think, different DE blades in there. Maybe 5 that I haven't tried before. Along with, I'm probably one of the few people in the wet shaving world who've never tried Barrister and Man Seville. That's right there too. I am so freaking over the moon on this, man. Epic mail call is what I'm going to call it. Epic trade. I don't know what to say. I don't. All I can tell you right now, all that I was possibly planning on using this week, boom, gone. This stuff's coming in. And you know, this is getting used this week. Probably a buttload. It will show up on a video, I guarantee it. You'll probably get sick of this razor. But I'm so excited for it. Damn. It's awesome as it is now on all the original scales and completely, but I just can't wait to see it in the new custom ones too. I'm floored that he did this, that he traded this. You can see it's just awesome. Shiny as it is right now, and he told me he's going to get it more. And I'm like, how the hell are you going to make that more shiny when I can pretty much shave in it? The reflection's amazing. But I wanted to show you guys this. Everyone was asking me what I was getting for my Timeless. It's about the only thing that would make me shave my Timeless. Was a celebrated Wade & Butcher Barber's Notch. It's also smiling a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a slight curve to it. Freaking cool. This thing's freaking cool. I'm trying not to swear. I'm sorry. like a kid in the candy store today. Can't remember the last time I was as excited for a mail call. Maybe my first mail call. Maybe the timeless when it showed up in the carve. Maybe. Maybe. Anyhow, I wanted to share this with you. Told everyone that I would put a video up when the replacement of the timeless showed up. So you've seen it all. Jason, thank you again so much, man. I don't know what to say. I really don't, dude. Your generosity here was amazing. I know you loved this razor. The fact that you offered it up for me. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Happy shaving, everyone. Have a wonderful night. I'm going to go do a jig, maybe 2 or 3, maybe dance with my wife. I don't know. I'm happy. I'm freaking happy if you can't tell. So, happy shaving. Have a great evening. Be safe, everyone. Awesome.